If you want reminders on your iPhone that act and look like real alarms, this is how you can do it. The most important step in all of this process is that your iPhone is running the iOS 26.2 software version or later. The iPhone model is not important. It will work on any iPhone model as long as you're running iOS 26.2 or later. So I'm now going to open the Settings app on my iPhone, and then we'll have to open the Reminders section in here. Scroll all the way down towards the bottom of the page and tap on Apps. Now I'm going to use the search bar and search for Reminders. Here's the option, so I'm going to click on it. And in here, you will need to make sure that this alarm section is enabled or turned on. I will now exit the Settings page, open my Reminders app, and then I'm going to set a test reminder to show you how you can do this. So tap on this plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen in order to create a new reminder. And I'm going to name this one Test 1, just as an example for this video. The next step is to select a date and time for your reminder. Today is February 11th, so I'll set that as my date, and I'm going to set a specific time. And a very important thing that we need to do is to make sure that this urgent option is enabled or turned on. When we enable this urgent option, then the reminder is going to have the alarm style notification. This means it will take over your entire screen just like a real alarm, and it will keep ringing until you dismiss it or snooze it. The sound will be louder and more attention-grabbing than a normal reminder notification. This is perfect for important reminders that you absolutely cannot miss, like taking medicine, attending meetings, or waking up on time. Now tap on Add at the top right corner to save this reminder. When the time comes, your reminder will appear as a full-screen alarm that you have to actively dismiss. So that's how you can turn your iPhone reminders into powerful alarms. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful iPhone tips.